Question 30. Iron is extracted from its ore in a blast furnace in a redox reaction. Which substance is oxidized in a blast furnace? Let's do a quick run through of what actually occurs in the blast furnace. Apart from hematite, which is going to be iron ore, having a molecular formula of Fe2O3, there are two other materials added to the blast furnace. The first being coke, or just carbon, and limestone, which has a formula of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. The first reaction in the blast furnace occurs when coke combines with oxygen, or rather burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide gas, which is further burned in more coke to produce carbon monoxide gas. Carbon monoxide is then the reagent that reacts directly with the iron ore to give us pure iron metal and carbon dioxide gas as a byproduct. This helps to extract the iron metal out of its ore. The second reagent that was added, calcium carbonate, firstly decomposes due to heat into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The calcium oxide is then the substance that reacts with impurities like silicon dioxide to form calcium silicate. This is also known as slag. In the blast furnace, which is extremely hot, it will be in the molten state, and the molten slag can be separated from the iron metal and used for other purposes like surfacing the roads. Having all our equations here, let's find out which of the substances is oxidized or reduced in the blast furnace. Carbon dioxide, we see carbon dioxide here and here, and carbon dioxide reacts with more coke to form carbon monoxide. In carbon dioxide, carbon has the oxidation state of +4, while in carbon monoxide, carbon's oxidation state is +2. A reduction in the oxidation state from +4 to +2 means that carbon dioxide, or rather carbon, has actually been reduced. So it is incorrect to say that carbon dioxide is oxidized in the blast furnace. A simple way to look at it is to see that carbon dioxide has actually lost oxygen, specifically one atom of oxygen, in this process, and hence it is reduced. Let's look at coke. Coke occurs in the first equation here, where coke combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This is very straightforward, where coke is actually oxidized into carbon dioxide gas. So coke is indeed oxidized in the blast furnace. Hematite refers to this compound here, the iron ore, and hematite is in fact reduced to iron because of the loss of oxygen. Therefore, C is wrong. D talks about limestone, which is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate thermally decomposes to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Essentially, calcium carbonate is reduced as well because it has lost two oxygen atoms from the calcium carbonate compound. So the limestone is also reduced, and the only answer is B, where coke is the only substance that is oxidized in the blast furnace.